Another Tesla Model 3's in. So we're doing something a little different today. Auto trunk. It's a smarter vehicle.
Wow, LED just here.
So in case you didn't know, Model 3's do not have a power trunk. You gotta do it, you know, with your hand, of course. What? What's wrong? The instructions look really nice.
That's good. Oh, it's 2 kits.
Maybe you do the front and the trunk.
I don't know where to begin. And I'm scared.
There's soft close on this thing? Oh, sick. Damn, maybe I want one for mine.
See how this installer works.
Nice.
I did it. Who do you think you are? I am.
Who do you think you are? I
So you know how earlier I was telling you how like they had their harness and it just like connected and reconnected and whatnot. So this was plugged in to the motor, the one that pulls the thing back and forth. So on this kit, I take it, plug it into here, and then I take the one from the new harness and I plug it back in eventually.
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 Eventually. Eventually.
Mamma mia. Into there. Boom.
Just got done with the frunk and the trunk power lift gate system. So let me show you how it works. This is really cool, guys. So we'll start with the front. You can open it by pressing the button still, just like on your screen. So when Tyler presses the button, it opens up. Isn't that cool? You guys can see the struts right there. It's all nice and beefy. Once you press this, the frunk will close by itself. So when I press it right here, you see it going down. And look at that. Soft close, guys. And here's a cool part too though. You can actually close it from the inside too by pressing the same buttons. So this is really cool in case you gotta, you know, open it up for someone getting out of the car and you don't get out of the car because it's raining or something. You can open and close it just like that. Now let's look at the back. Same thing like the front. You can open it normally if you want to by using this. We install the button right there. That way you can just press that to close it and it'll close. And you can again close it from the inside as you see here. And same thing, just like the front, there is soft closing as well. Definitely recommend this. I think it's a really neat feature. I think it should have come like that from Tesla, but either way, because there isn't that option, having this as a secondary option is really, really nice. All right, guys, that's it for the vlog. Thank you so much for watching. We want to work in your car, so hit us up. Our contact info is in the description down below. I will see you next time.